Flowers and leaves are just the tip of the iceberg in the plant world. Scientists say an incredible amount of activity is happening down at the roots. In this experimental greenhouse in Virginia, the biosciences company Novozymes is treating the roots of corn plants with a microscopic fungus. Sean Simones is head of product development.
The treated plants are taller and the untreated plants are smaller. So that's a good sign. And hopefully that'll pay off once we take this out to the field.
Farmers' fields will need to produce about 70% more by mid-century, when the global population is expected to hit 9 billion. And they will need to do it in a changing climate, with fewer resources and with less environmental impact. So researchers are turning to the soil for answers, says University of North Carolina biology professor Jeff Dangle.
Soil is teeming with life. Estimates range from 100 million to 1 billion microbes per gram of soil.
Down around the roots, microbes such as bacteria and fungi turn chemicals in the air and soil into food the plants can eat in exchange for microbe food. And plants give food to bodyguard microbes that make chemicals to fight off the bad germs. Researchers at North Carolina startup Ag Biome are looking for some of those bodyguards. Dan Tomso is chief science officer.
Each of these were planted with an impatiens seed, but they were also infected with a fungal disease.
The fungus damages all kinds of crops, costing farmers millions. The plants in the middle have the disease. The plants on the right were treated with bacteria Ag Biome discovered. You can see they're bigger and have better roots.
This level of control with a microbial product is outstanding. This is the kind of control you would usually achieve with, say, a commercial fungicide chemical.
Bug control is another way microbes may offer an alternative to chemical pesticides.
That insect's dead.
Killed by a fungus, says Novozymes' Sean Simones. You can see the mold growing on the body.
It'll form spores that then will get dispersed by the wind and then could be available to infect or colonize another insect somewhere else. Again, this is a naturally occurring microorganism. It was discovered in nature.
And scientists say many more microorganisms await discovery. They hope the next big advance in farming will come from labs studying the tiniest creatures. Steve Baragona, VOA News, Research Triangle Park, North Carolina.